everybody need a trust?
The short answer is no, not everybody needs a trust. But when we talk about trust, there are as many different types of trust as there are different types of transportation. You have everything from bicycles to jet airplanes, vans, pickups, sedans, station wagons. They're all transportation, but they all serve very different purposes. And so there are trusts that sometimes we break trust down into a few different categories. There's testamentary trust and there are inter vivos trusts. So an inter vivos trust is a trust that I put in place during my lifetime, and maybe the purpose of that trust is to protect my house, or maybe it's to protect my farm, to make sure my house and farm aren't subject to being lost to pay for my long-term care needs. Those are examples of irrevocable trusts, and they offer a lot of protection with this type of planning. And then there are trusts that we utilize after the client passes away, and those are referred to as testamentary trusts. Those spring into life after the client passes on, and they make sure that the assets that they leave to their children actually benefits their children and not the creditors or ex-spouses or medical bills that they can't pay. Make sure that those assets aren't lost in those bad situations. Now, a common misperception with the use of trusts are what most people think of when they think of trusts are revocable living trusts. And what a lot of folks don't understand is that a revocable living trust, as distinguished from an irrevocable trust, a revocable living trust doesn't offer any protection. It's whatever is available to you is also available to your creditors. So everything in a revocable trust is available and is subject to being lost to pay for long-term care. It's a countable asset for creditors. It's a countable asset for Medicaid and for the nursing home, as opposed to an irrevocable trust, which offers a great deal of protection.